So basically what you're going to want, since you guys are going for a Game Boy Advanced, what I preferably would use is simply um, GB Enhanced Plus. This one, it's pretty simple, straightforward. It's kind of weird because the way it launches up, it's not exactly what you think it is. Naturally, you'd think it'd just be the normal exe file, but instead it's the Qt, which it just gives you this weird fucking command prompt in the background. I've never understood why. That's how you launch it, basically. Now, I use this on my phone and my computer for all of it. Just click the download, let that go through, and then simply go through the website. And to get to this page, all you'd have to do is click ROMs, ISOs, and games, and then go down to handheld devices and Nintendo Game Boy Advance. Find the games you'd want. So let's say I wanted Pokemon Emerald Red for whatever reason. Go down here and download it. Quick, simple, easy. Go through its downloads, verify and download. Come on, load the security code. Some weird ass kappa, but okay. And then download it. And then you're going to need to extract this, obviously. So what you're going to want to do is get WinRAR or 7-zip or whatever. Most people will have this by now. So, and then just simply grab this file, drag it over into games, and you're done. So to launch it, you would go back into your emulator, which you're going to have to do the same thing for the emulator, by the way. And extract all of its files into its own unzipped file, or you can just do it straight into the file itself, it doesn't matter. Then run that. Let it go through, file. Seriously? Okay, open, and it's going to give you the pop-up window. Let's go to GBA game, come on. And this goes through, it gives you a buzz as it loads up. And there you go. And you can just simply play it. And of course, you're gonna have to start going through the options, controls, and keyboard, and then just click configure, and then whatever button you want. Preferably, what I did was I set A, B, X, and Y to Q, W, E, and R. Select and start. I selected with start and tab, and then left, right, down and up. I used my arrow keys, and L and R I used both of the, what are they called? It's like the two brackets, the square brackets. That's what I used for that. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward and simple with setting that up. Or you can go through and actually make it with like your controller, like an Xbox controller, whatever. If you have that on there, that works too. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Got any questions, leave it down in the comments or message me on Discord. Either one works.